turning over the same old ground. What we